Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn walnut hulls into powder. So all you need is a Ziploc bag like this, a board, a plastic or a wooden board, and a masher. Right now we're gonna go ahead and put the walnuts into the bag, and we're gonna seal it tight, let all the air out. As you can see, just gonna seal it up, let the air out. Alright, once it's fully sealed, then we're gonna go ahead and use a masher to mash it up. The point of this video is that you don't need to have an expensive grinder or a processor. You can do this just with the tools that you have handy in your kitchen. It's easy and it's quick. It takes about 1 to 2 minutes, and you'll have your powdered walnut. And if you don't have a Ziploc bag and you have a bag like this, you have to make sure that you use 2 bags in order to prevent it from ripping apart while you're mashing. And this is a masher that we're going to be using today. You don't have to have a metal masher. You can use a wooden one or anything that's hard that can be used as a mallet. As you can see, we're just mashing the walnuts right now, and you can decide how hard you want to mash with the size of the pieces that you want it to have based on your use. Alright, as you can see, this took less than a minute, and I have all the walnuts turned into fine powder right now. And I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like after we did the mashing, and this can be used for many things like salad topping. It could be used in an ice cream topping. It could be used for foods like Fesenjun. It could be used as a pancake batter. Many uses. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully this was useful for you. Thank you.